Hello viewers, hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I Shivangi welcomes you back on the YouTube channel of Holy Cross Texas School. Here again I am with one more informative video. Today I am going to let you know about one such entrance exam that is conducted by one of the most rewarded institute for providing admissions into various undergraduate and integrated courses. Nothing to guess, my dear viewers, I am talking about Nasi Monjee Institute of Management Studies that provide admissions into various UG and integrated courses by one test that is known as NPAT. We will be getting answers to most of your questions like what is exactly NPAT exam? What are the eligibility criteria to opt this examination? What is the fee structure? What you are going to do ahead with this entrance exam? What is the fee structures? What institutes are there for this entrance exam, and so on. So let's start our video. Very first thing is NMIMS, NPAT. Nasi Monjee Institute of Management Studies offers one test, that is NPAT, is known as National Test for Programs after 12th. What is this NPAT entrance exam? NPAT entrance exam is a national test for programs after 12th, but better known as NPAT. It is conducted by Nasi Monjee Institute of Management Studies, which is also known as NMIMS, for providing admissions to various undergraduate and integrated courses such as BBA, BCom Honors, BSc Finance, BSc Economics, BA Honors, Liberal Arts and BBA Branding and Advertising, etc. These all are the courses which are offered by Nasi Monjee Institute of Management Studies. Basically, this institute provides the B Scholar admissions. B Scholar means bachelor admissions. That bachelor you can do in science, that you can do in commerce, but it is understood to all of you that if you are going to opt your bachelor in science, it means your background of 11th and 12th should be medical and non-medical. If you are going to opt BCom, it means your background should be of commerce. So that is understood to all of you. Next is, after what is NPAT? Eligibility conditions. There are so many eligibility conditions for opting NPAT exam, which varies depends upon your courses. The first eligibility condition is that you have to clear your 12th, and likely the marks should be, the percentage in 12th class should be 60%. As it is written, you must have passed 10 plus 2 with mathematics and statistics. 50% marks for BBA and BSc Finance. As I told you, it is different for different courses, and 60 marks for BCom Honors. Now, next is, after eligibility conditions, how to apply for NPAT entrance exam. There is only one way to apply for NPAT entrance exam, that is only online. What you have to do, you have to apply NPAT exam only online by visiting its site, that is www.npat.in. First of all, visit the official website of the NPAT, that is www.npat.in. Then click apply now. Then verify your account. Fill in the application form by clicking the edit button given there. Complete the form and submit it. Pay the requisite fee and complete the application process. Now, as I told you the requisite fee, the next question in your mind is, what is the fee structure? Now, I will be telling you about the fee structure, examination fee. The examination fee is different from the different programs. The examination fee for one school program is rupees 1800. It is rupees 4000 for 3 programs, and it is rupees 5000 for 4 programs. It is different for different programs. Now, these are the only tentative fee, which are bound to change according to the successive years. If you want to get the latest notification, then you have to update daily. Next question in your mind is, what is the syllabus of NPAT exam? The syllabus of NPAT exam is as follows. Syllabus of NPAT exam comprises of questions from proficiency in English language, quantitative and numerical ability, reasoning and general intelligence. The English language section comprises of reading section, para jumble sentence completion, synonyms and antonyms, fill in the blanks, dictionary meanings of different words, syntax, and correct grammar and language usage and their rules. Means the main motive of this exam, means English language, is to check your command over the grammatical part. Next point comes is quantitative and numerical ability section. This section basically relates to mathematics, means basically totally related to arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, one of the most important subject, 2D and 3D geometry, and statistics, line graph, bar graph, tables and pie charts. These all are the exam pattern for the NPET exam. Now next is again what is the more exam pattern for this exam, that is NPET exam will consist of two parts. One is general paper, another is subject specific paper. In paper 1, a total of 120 objective multiple choice type questions expected to be completed in 100 minutes time. Means number of questions are 120 and timing is 100 minutes. Then about paper 2, for certain specific course will consist of relevant subjects of the level of 12th class. Means in paper 2 you will get the questions from the relevant subjects of your 12th class studies. Also NPET exams will consist of two parts. One is general paper and another is subject specific paper. There will be 40 questions each from quantitative ability, local reasoning and English. Most important subject, that is quantitative ability, which will check your mathematical command. Next is logical reasoning, means general awareness ability and reasoning questions are going to come. And third one is English. English basically it comprises of the grammatical part, as I told you earlier also. Next step is institutes. Yes. Now I would like to tell you about the NPET entrance exam test institutes, where you can get admissions for after clearing this test. There are so many institutes as listed: Mukesh Patil School of Technology, Management and Engineering, Mumbai and Sherpur; School of Technology Management and Engineering, Mumbai, Indore and Hyderabad; Shobhin Parat Bhai Patel School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, Mumbai; School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, Sherpur and Hyderabad; Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce, Mumbai. These all school lies in Mumbai and Hyderabad. School of Commerce, Bengaluru, Dhule, Hyderabad, Indore, Mumbai; Sarla Anil Modi School of Economics, Mumbai; School of Economics, Bengaluru and Mumbai; School of Design, Mumbai; Jyoti Dalal School of Liberal Arts, Mumbai; School of Branding and Advertising, Mumbai. Now one thing more I want to tell you is that NMIMS is located in 7 states such as Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chandigarh, Dhule, Navi Mumbai and etc. But the one of the most rewarded NMIMS institute is in Mumbai. Why is it so? As you know, the Mumbai is the financial capital of India. If you are spending your 3 years of bachelor over there, it means you will get chance to get recruitments in some of the most companies, that is Cipla, Reliance, etc. These are the reputed companies where you will get the placement after doing your scholars in bachelor from Mumbai. So that's why I am saying that Mumbai one NMIMS is the most rewarded one. Next step is NPET entrance exam test centers. There are merely 49 test centers across all the states, from which you have to select any 3 test centers, and these test centers are as follows: Visakhapatnam, Guwahati, New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Valsad, Jamshedpur, Ranchi, Bangalore, Indore, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Sherpur, Pune, Nagpur, Nashik, Aurangabad, Jaipur, Udaipur, Kota and Bhilwara, Lucknow, Kanpur, Meerut, Agra, Varanasi, Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, Kolkata, Chennai, Raipur, Chandigarh, Mohali, Ludhiana, Bhubaneswar, Patna, Dehradun, Panjim and Yamunanagar, Gurgaon and Faridabad. From all these 49 test centers, you have to choose any 3 of your nearest place. These are the test centers where your exam will take place. Hopefully this video will be helpful for those candidates who are going to opt this exam, that is ANPET. I hope this video will be helpful to all of you. If further you have any kind of doubts and queries, you can ask me in the comment section box. I will try my best to solve your doubts as soon as possible. For more videos, hit the like button and subscribe the school YouTube channel. We'll be back with more informative videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you and have a nice day.